Pag hindi po kayo marunong sumayaw, pinakamalakas na palakpak, okay, siya po iPhone 20. Well, kaano-ano niyo po si Nicole? Family friend, si
Ate Fran.
Ate Fran?
Yeah. Family friend.
Family friend, Ate Fran? Romel. Family friend. Vic. Vic? Family friend. Ray. Okay, so these are actually family friends nila Nicole. Okay? Thank you! Yeah! Has the most, okay? Yung pinakamalakas po na palakpak, applause, okay? Three. Number 5. Number 6. Okay. I think Daddy Ricardo, ikaw mag-judge. Sino? Okay, number 4, ulit. Number 5. Okay, so it's actually very obvious. Candidate number 4 from Saskatoon is our dancing king tonight. Shall we give a hand?